Anthropic just passed OpenAI in business adoption for the first time ever. Anthropic's run rate revenue went from $250 million to $30 billion in only 2 years. That's a 120x jump. And this week, they launched a new product that puts Claude inside QuickBooks, PayPal, HubSpot, Canva, and other tools small business owners already pay for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why these three stories add up to one massive shift in how businesses are buying AI and the one move you should make in the next 30 days to stay ahead of it. Real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith with Evolve Media. We help brands create content that drives conversions, create websites that rank in AI search, and create automated AI systems that unlock new revenue. Head to evolveamz.com to see exactly what we do and see if we're a good fit for working with you. And while you're there, grab our free Ecom Profit Box. It's loaded with 11 PDF guides to help you launch new products, find new product opportunities, and overall scale your business to $50 million in annual revenue. All right, now back to the video. So number one, Anthropic just passed OpenAI. According to the Ramp AI Index, Anthropic now sits at 34% of business adoption. OpenAI is at 32%. That's the first time it's ever happened. What makes this insane is the speed. Over the last year, Anthropic quadrupled business adoption. Again, it quadrupled business adoption. Compared to OpenAI, it only grew at 0.3% in the same window. OpenAI peaked around 36% in mid-2025 and has been slowly declining since. For 2 years, OpenAI was the default. Now businesses are choosing Claude, and that's the real shift. Number two, the revenue story behind the shift. Anthropic's CFO, Krishna Rao, went on a podcast this week and shared the numbers. When he joined the company 2 years ago, run rate revenue was $250 million. Today, it's $30 billion, up from $9 billion just last quarter. That's a 120x revenue jump in 24 months. The thing that's driving this is Claude Code, their agentic coding tool. It's now estimated to be authoring 4% of all public GitHub commits worldwide. When developers pick a tool, businesses follow, and that's exactly what we just saw happen. Number three, why this week's launch matters most. Anthropic just launched Claude for small business. It's a toggle install that puts Claude inside the tools small business owners are already using. Intuit QuickBooks, PayPal, HubSpot, Canva, DocuSign, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365. It comes with 15 ready-to-run workflows. Payroll planning, chasing invoices, closing the books, lead triage, campaign attribution, contract review, tax season prep. Soon, these AI agents will do the work that millions of humans did. If you run a small e-com brand and you use even 3 of those tools, this is the most relevant AI launch of 2026 for you. Number 4, what this all adds up to. 3 stories, 1 pattern. Anthropic is winning the business AI race. The revenue proves it and the adoption numbers prove it. If you're running a brand and you're still defaulting to ChatGPT for everything, you're investing in the AI ecosystem that's losing ground. That doesn't mean abandon ChatGPT. It means start building inside Claude too, especially if you're using QuickBooks or PayPal or HubSpot. The brands that integrate Claude into their daily operations over the next 90 days are the brands that are going to pull ahead. Number 5, the one move that you need to make this month. Here's the exact setup. It takes about 10 minutes. Open the Claude desktop app on your computer. If you don't have it, download it at claude.com/download. You will need a paid plan, Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. Switch to cowork mode using the mode picker at the top of the window. Then in the chat bar, type /setup-cowork and then hit enter. Claude walks you through picking your role and installing the small business plugin. When it asks, connect the one tool you spend the most time inside, for most ecom brands, that's QuickBooks, HubSpot, or Google Workspace. You can add more later. Then start with one simple task. Type something like, give me my Monday brief, or what are my margins this month? Claude reads from the connected tool and gives you the answer. Run a couple of these read-only tasks for a week to see how accurate it is on your actual data. Once you trust it, layer in the tasks that send invoices, draft campaigns, or post to your tools. Those will always wait for your approval before anything actually happens. And you'll know within 14 days whether this changes how you operate. For most brands, it will. If you want help with any of this, have questions, or want to work with me directly, then head to evolveamz.com. You can book a call with me, or you can email me directly, ian@evolveamz.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.